Exercise 15.1 of chapter probability. The solutions of the exercise 15.1. I will start the question number 5. Okay. If P equal to 0.05, what is the probability of not E? We know that the PE plus P not E equal to the 1. This is the formula. PE plus P E bar equal to 1. If the PE equal to 0.05 equal to P not E equal to 1. Okay, PE. Then P not E bar equal to 1 minus 0.05. Not E equal to 0. The sum of the E plus not E equal to 1. The sum of the probabilities is 1. Question number 6. A bag contains lemon flavored candy only. Malini takes out one candy without looking into the bag. What is the probability that she takes out an orange flavored candy, a lemon flavored candy? The bag contains only lemon flavored candy. It means the orange flavored candy is not possible. This is an impossible event. Therefore, the probability of orange flavored candy is 0. And a lemon flavored candy, the probability is 1. This is a sure event. If we take one candy, it means this is also a lemon flavored candy. The probability is 1. Orange flavored 0 and lemon flavored 1. Question number 7. It is given that in a group of 3 students, the probability of 2 students not having the same birthday is 0.992. What is the probability that 2 students have the same birthdays? Not 0.992 and E is 1 minus 0.992. The probability of not having the same birthdays is 0.992. Then the probability of happening of event is PE plus P E bar equal to 1. Then the PE equal to 1 minus 0.992. The probability of having the same birthdays 0.008. Next. Question number 8. A bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability that a ball is a red and not red? If a red, it means the total number of balls is 3 plus 5, 8. The probability of getting a red ball, 3 by 8. And not red, it means black ball. That is a black ball. The probability of not red is 5 by 8. Okay. Next question. A box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles, 4 green marbles. One marble is taken out of the box at random. What is the probability that the marble taken out will be a red, white and not green? The total number of marbles 5 plus 8 plus 4. 12 plus 5, 17. Total number of marbles 17. The probability of getting a red marble is 5 by 17. Probability of getting a white marbles 8 by 17. And probability of getting a not green marble, it means not green means 5 and 8, 13. 13 by 17. The probability of getting a green marble is 4 by 17 and not getting a 5 plus 8, 13 by 17. Simple questions. Next question. A piggy bank contains 150 paisa coins, 50 1 rupee coins, 20 2 rupee coins and 10 5 rupee coins. It is equally like that one of the coins will fall out when the bank is turned upside down. What is the probability that is a coin will be a 50 paisa coin and will not be a 5 rupee coins? First we find the total number of coins. The total number of coins is 180. Number of 50 paisa coins 100 and number of coins without rupees 5. The number of 5 rupee coin is 10. The 180 minus 10, 170. 9. Found the probability of getting a 50 paisa coins. Number 1. Probability of getting an event equal to the number of favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes is 100 and total number of outcomes is 180. By cancelling 20, 25 120. Next, the probability of getting a 5 will not getting a 5 rupee coins. It means 170 favorable out of total. This is 17 by 18. Next question. Question number 11. A gopi buys a fish from a shop for his aquarium. The shopkeeper taken out one fish at random from a tank containing 5 male fish and 8 female fish. What is the probability that a fish taken out from a male fish? Simple question. Total number of fishes is 5 plus 8, 13. And the male fishes are 5. The probability of getting a male fish equal to favorable condition by total. Favorable means 5 and total is 13. You can solve this. Next question. Question number 12. A game of chance consisting of spinning an arrow which comes to rest pointing at one of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the equally liked outcomes. What is the probability that it will point at 8? Odd number greater than 2 and number less than 9. 8. If getting a 8, the number of favorable outcome is 1 and total outcomes are 8. Total outcomes 8 and of getting 8 the favorable outcome is 1. The probability of getting 8 is equal to 1 by 8. Number 2, an odd number. How many odd numbers are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 3, 5, 7. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7. Therefore, favorable outcomes 4. And probability of getting odd number is 4 by 8. It means 1 by 2. Clear? A number greater than 2. How many numbers are greater than 2? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 6 numbers. 6 numbers which are greater than 2. The probability of getting a number greater than 2 is 6 by 8. Favorable conditions in 6 and total 8. By cancelling out by 2, 3 by 4. In number less than 9, all numbers are less than 9. 8 out of 8 total numbers are less than 9. It means getting a probability is 1. A number less than 9, the probability of getting a number less than 9 equal to 1. Next question. A die is thrown once. What is the probability of getting a prime number, a number lying between 2 and 6, and odd number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the outcomes. The number of total outcomes is 6. Find the probability of getting a prime number. So prime numbers is here 2, 3. Prime numbers is 2, 3 and 5. It means favorable outcomes is 3. The probability of getting a prime number equal to 3 out of 6. It means 1 by 2. Number 2, a number lying between 2 and 6. Number lying between 2 and 6 means 3, 4, 5. The number of favorable outcomes is 3. The probability of getting a numbers lying between 2 and 6 is 3 by 6. That will also equal to 1 by 2. And odd numbers. How many odd numbers are there? 1, 3, 5. The outcomes is, favorable outcomes is 3. Total 6. Getting a probability is 1 by 2. Next question. Question number 14. A 1 card is drawn from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red color. Total number of cards is 52. King of red color means 2 kings. Red color 2 kings. So 2 out of 52. 1 by 26. Clear? Face card. How many face cards? 12. Face cards is 12. 12 by 52. Cancel by 4. You will get 3 by 13. Next, a red face card. Red face card is 6. Red face card 6. Total face cards are 12. Then the red is 6. 6 by 52. Jack of hearts. Jack of hearts means 1. Only 1. Jack of each type is equal to 1. It means hearts. Jack of heart is 1. 1 by 52. And spade. Number of spade card is 13. 13 by 52. It means 1 by 4. Queen of diamonds. Queen is also a 1 of diamond. 1 by 52. You can write this question in your notebook by counting. Question number 15. 5 cards, the 10, Jack, Queen, King and Ace of diamonds are well shuffled. Diamonds are well shuffled with their face onwards. One card is then picked up at random. The 5 cards, 10, Jack, Queen, King and Ace of diamonds are well shuffled with their face downwards. What is the probability of a card? Is the Queen. What is the probability that a card is a Queen? And number 2, if a Queen is drawn and put aside, what is the probability that is the second card picked up is an Ace and a Queen? There are 5 cards, 10, Jack, Queen, King and Ace. The total number of cards is 5. Total number of outcomes 5. Find a probability. Number 1 of getting a Queen. Queen means 1. Favorable condition is 1 out of 5. This is the probability of getting a Queen. Number 2, if Queen is discarded, only 4 cards are left. Only 4 cards are left. Of getting a probability of getting an Ace is 1 by 4. Okay. And probability of getting a Queen, there is no Queen. It means favorable condition is 0 by 4. It means 0. Probability of getting a Queen is 0. Okay. Next. Question number 16. 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good ones. It is not possible to just look at a pen and tell whether or not it is defective. One pen is taken out at random from this lot. Determine the probability that the pen taken out is a good one. 12 defective pens accidentally mixed with 132 good ones. Total number of pens are 132 plus 12, 144. Probability of getting a good pen. Good pens means number of good pens is 132. The probability of getting a good pen is favorable condition 132 out of 144. By cancel by this 11, 12. 12 1 11 by 12. Probability is always written in the standard form. Next question. Question number 17. A lot of 20 balls contains 4 defective ones. Lot of 20 balls, 4 defective. If one bulb is drawn at random from the box, what is the probability that the bulb is defective? 20 of 4 defective means 4 by 20, 1 by 5 are defective. Suppose the bulb drawn in the is not defective and not replaced. It means defective 4 bulbs थे, 1 out किया तो कितना हुआ? 3 bulbs. Number of defective bulbs are 4 and the remaining bulbs is 19. The bulb is not defective and not replaced. Now one bulb is drawn at random from the rest. What is the probability that the bulb is not defective? Not defective means the number of defective bulbs 4, remaining 16. The one bulb is drawn at not defective, it means a good one. It means 15 bulbs. Good one is 15. 15 by 19. The probability of getting a good bulb is 15 by 19. Question number 18. A box contains 90 discs which are numbered from 1 to 90. If one disc is drawn at random from the box, find the probability that it bears a 2-digit number, a perfect square number, a number divisible by 5 from 1 to 90. The numbers, total outcomes 1 to 90 means total outcomes 90. Number of 2-digit numbers from 10 to 90 means 81. The probability of getting a 2-digit number equal to favorable outcomes 81 and total outcomes 90. 9 by 10. Number 2, a perfect square number. How many perfect square numbers is? 9. The favorable outcomes 9, total outcomes 90. 1 by 10. And next, a number divisible by 5. It means 5, 10, 15, 20 up to 90. The total numbers favorable conditions is 18 and total 90. 1 by 5. Okay, next question. A child has a die whose 6 faces shown in the letter A, B, C, D, E and A. A die is drawn once. What is the probability of getting A? The total number of outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And favorable outcomes 1 and 2. A comes 2 times. It means 2 by 6, 1 by 3. Okay. Next, D. D, the favorable outcomes of D is 1. The answer is 1 by 6. Total outcomes is 6, 1 by 6. And probability of getting A is 2 by 6. It means 1 by 3. Suppose, question number 20. Suppose you drop a die at random on the rectangular region shown in the figure. What is the probability that it will land inside the circle with diameter 1 meter? This. The favorable area is area of circle and total area is area of rectangle. So this is the total area. The area of circle divided by area of rectangle. This is the favorable area and this is the total area. Okay. Diameter of circle is 1 meter, so radius equal to 1 by 2 meter. Area of circle is pi r square. Pi into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by pi by 4 meter square. And area of rectangle is 3 into 2, length into breadth, 6 meter square. The probability of the area of circle divided by area of rectangle. It means pi by 24. This is the probability of getting a circle. Next question. Question number 21. A lot consists of 144 ball pens, of which 20 are defective and others are good. Noori will buy a pen if it is good, but will not buy if it is a defective. The shopkeeper draws one pen at random and gives it to her. What is the probability that she will buy it? She will not buy it. It means 144 total pens and 20 are defective. It means number of good pens is 144 minus 20, 124. If probability she will buy, it means a good pen. The number of good pen is 124 divided by 144. See. Total pens 144, good pen 144 minus 20, 124. Defective pens 20. The probability, if she will buy means she will buy the good pen. The probability of getting a good pen equal to 124 by 144. By cancel 4, 4 3 are 12. And next, if the pen is defective, then she will not buy. It means probability of getting a defective pen 20 by 144. Now cancel 4 5 are 20 and 36. This is the probability if she will not buy, and buying 31 by 36. Question number 23. A game consists of tossing a 1 rupee coin 3 times and notifying the outcome each time. Hanif wins if all the tosses give the same result, 3 heads or 3 tails, and the loses otherwise. Calculate the probability that Hanif will lose the game. There are 8 possible outcomes: head, 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 tail, 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 head, tail, head, 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 tail, and head, tail, tail, THS and TTH, THT. These are the 8 outcomes. He will win if he got this: head, 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 and tail, tail, tail. If he loses, the total number of outcomes is 8. The possible outcomes is 6. He will lose if he gets these 6 outcomes. the probability is 6 by 8 of losing the game. This is the 3 by 4. Of winning the game is 2 by 8, 1 by 4. Next. A die is thrown twice. What is the probability that 5 will not come up either time and 5 will come at least once? 5 will not come either time and 5 will not come at least once. When 2 dice are thrown, when the total number of possible outcomes is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3 like this. Total number of outcomes are 36. The question is, find the probability of getting a 5 will not come either times. 5 will not come. It means 5 comes at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 times 5 will come. It means it will not come 36 minus 11. Understand? 5 will come at how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5 will come at 11 times and not come 36 minus 11. The probability of getting 5 will not come either times. It means total outcomes is 36. 5 will come at 11 times. The not come is 25 times. The first answer is 25 by 36. 5 will not come either side. And number 2, 5 will come. It means 11 by 36. This is the favorable condition, favorable outcomes. This is the total outcome. Okay, the exercise finished. Thank you.